Hey, hope you guys are doing well. This is Faiza and welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to be showing you my go-to smoothie that I have all the time. Last year, I made a New Year's resolution to be more healthy and add gym and smoothies into my lifestyle. And I couldn't be more happier with my decision. So let's go ahead and get started with my smoothie. This one happens to be my go-to smoothie and I love this smoothie. I have tried other smoothies as well, but this one happens to be my all-time favorite. Let's start with the recipe. I'm starting with my regular milk. You guys can also use almond milk, cashew milk, oat milk, whatever tastes delicious to you. And I'm using this jug to measure my milk. My next ingredient is cocoa powder. It helps you with digestion and it has really rich antioxidants as well. And my last ingredient is frozen banana. You guys can use unfrozen bananas as well, but it won't give you that creamy texture. And I love using bananas because they are full of natural sugars and they give you that instant boost. And now we are blending everything together. And there you have it, guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like the recipe, make sure to leave it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to share more with you guys. Till then, I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye, guys.